I don't want to say that I have a horseshoe up my ass, but relatable could I be? Oh no, the battery is gonna die. Hold on.
I'm just being a potato right now.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Friday. Anyway, I woke up this morning and I made my bed. I'm very proud of myself. I took a shower. I washed the Olaplex that I had out of my hair, and now I'm just waiting for the rest of it to air dry so that I can curl it. Oh, also, we're gonna address the elephant in the room. My cold sore, because how much more relatable could I be? I noticed that I was developing a cold sore yesterday. The last time that I did have a cold sore, I had actually bought these like band-aids, like think pimple patch, but cold sore patch. I have noticed that it hasn't been growing, so that's a good thing. These past couple days have just been absolutely bonkers. My mom rented a car and I got a lot of practice driving, so I'm really happy about that. I've been really on it. I don't want to feel nervous when I have to do my exam. You know what I mean? How are you guys doing today? Happy birthday if it's your birthday. I have my neighborhood t-shirt on, and I got this new pair of pants from H&M. I ordered them online. They took forever to come in, per usual, but I don't know how I feel about them. Like, I feel like this could be a cute like styling moment, but I don't know.
Three hours later.
The makeup looks like cute. I ended up taking out the cold sore bandage. I'm just gonna leave it until I have to get out of the house, which is soon, but I am so hungry. I actually like chopped some of these pieces. My hair is definitely not even anymore. I mean, not that it has been even for a while, but these like scraggly split ends have just been the bane of my existence lately. I love you. Did you know that? The good part about me needing to make food right now is I get to feed my son. Are you hungry? Yeah, I know. When I feed them, I have to put Storm in the bathroom because he is an absolute savage. Like, he actually will steal Loki's food away from him. He has his own food, but he will completely just steal Loki. It's really rude. Okie dokie. So it has been, I'd say maybe it's been like a good 45 minutes since I sat down. Who are we kidding? Usually when I have a feeling about something, I nail it. Had I continued filming, I would have just been in an absolute nightmare, which realistically, that was the situation. I do really like this makeup look. I haven't done a wing in so long. I am gonna get outside, just get some fresh air. I think that I'll be a lot more productive when I come back. Yeah, let's go. Basically, this is the last cold sore band-aid that I have, and I think that I put this one on half decently. So, what I have recently been obsessed with are the new Starbucks brown sugar double shots. So, for those of you who don't know, I used to work at Starbucks. So, Starbucks double shot by default gets classic, 3 shots of espresso for a grande. I'm only gonna do 2. The difference is that brown sugar syrup is used. Obviously, I'm just gonna use brown sugar. You shake some cinnamon in with the espresso, shake it with the cinnamon and the brown sugar. I think I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing instead of talking. Okay, because I don't actually have a shaker cup, this is gonna have to suffice. I have brown sugar, spoon of that. Angel, don't come at me. I know that the espresso died, but not for long. Okay, now we swirl, then we shake. Love that. I don't know if this is gonna explode all over me, but Add some more ice. I don't know why you guys are looking at me doing this. Oh no, the battery is gonna die. Hold on, just quick. Okay, oat milk, almond milk, could be sweeter, but good stuff. Back from my adventure. Say hi to the vlog. I'm pretty sure that my adventure was more or less everything that I wanted and more. But I did want to show you guys, I got my first influencer BoxyCharm. Like, not one that I paid for. I'm so excited, let me show you. So, it came in the mail yesterday. So, it comes like this. Love that for us. And the first thing that is in this box is the Maven Rosewater Setting Spray. So I've never tried this before. It comes in a cute orange package. Smells like roses. Okay, not too bad. The next thing that I got is the Venus 3, the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. Now, I remember I owned, I don't know if I got rid of it, but the Venus palette. This is like a more pinky, purpley version of the Venus palette. Cute stuff. I feel like this shade is in all of the Venus Lime Crime palettes. The next thing that came in here is a wet brush cleaning system. So it's basically a bar of soap and a silicone like scrubber so that you can wash your makeup brushes, because do as I say, not as I do. Wash your makeup brushes more often. I'm talking to you, Mariah. Next thing that's in the March BoxyCharm is the Cab Lip Oil. I don't know, this is fun. Okay, interesting. I don't think that it's gonna be blue. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be clear, unless it is gonna be blue. No, it's clear. Don't mind my cold sore. And the last thing that comes in here is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. It comes in this packaging. It actually has, wait a second. I wonder if they perform similarly. Maybe I'll do a back-to-back. If you guys haven't tried out BoxyCharm, I do have a link in the description box where you can try it out. It is an affiliate link, so I do earn a small commission if you decide to sign up through me. But if you don't feel like signing up, no pressure. There's never any pressure here. But a couple more things I did want to mention. The Inculus Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. Fulvic. It says 0.5 PEAT is high in fulvic acid and helps enhance exfoliation. Kakadu plum extract is rich in vitamin C and helps increase skin's radiance. 1% licorice root extract helps improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. I'm always looking to brighten my sunspot situation. Oh my gosh. So my sister has this, and this is wild. I haven't owned a Hoola bronzer in years. 2015 Mariah used to use the absolute living crap out of this. The Super Goop Glow Screen. Hi, me. Oh, wait, what's better? I don't know. Hi, editing Mariah here, editing this video. The Super Goop Glow, this sunscreen, this SPF, you need to run and buy this. I am obsessed with this SPF. It smells so good. It gives me like a nice luminous glow. I'm not gonna wait until the vlog that I'm filming today to tell you how good it is. It is so good. Please go and buy it. Thank you so much. Back to regular scheduled programming. I needed to say it. Okay. I'm actually looking forward to trying out just doing like a fresh face of makeup with this, because it does have a slight tint to it that I figure would work for my skin tone right now, but I don't know how this would work in the summer. I actually haven't really looked into Supergoop all that much, but hopefully they have lots of inclusive shades for my beautiful people that have darker skin tones. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melting the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I don't know how I feel about the like makeup cleansing balm life. I guess we'll see how that works out. Last but not least, the Smashbox Always On Cream Eyeshadow. I am so happy that I got this color. Anyway, yeah, that's that little makeup haul. I felt really cute wearing something that wasn't a sweatsuit today and like actually putting on clothes. It felt very adult-like. If I were to have done this makeup differently, I would have done a much glowier base. I really have to stop being mad at myself when first impression videos don't work, because there is always that risk that they won't work. Basically, anytime that I put on makeup, I either post it on my Instagram or on YouTube, so there's kind of like that pressure for some reason that I put on myself, and I have to stop that because it ain't that serious.
I'm just being a potato right now.
If being a potato is what you wish to do, be a potato. And that's it. That's all, my fine friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, I forgot to close this video out like the potato that I am. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos from me, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are 3 videos away from the birthday vlog. My birthday is March 24th, for those of you who don't know. So I'm really excited to continue sharing some more videos with you guys throughout the month of March. And it has been a journey, to say the very least. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out. A-Town.